So yeah, look at this, and it's really easy to wear because I already set up. So yeah, so it looks more gorgeous. Like, hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So if you haven't met me on my previous videos, my name is MamaG, and I love to do unboxing, reviews, tutorials about, you know, like girly things, girly stuff, and voila, and hair tips, beauty tips, and etc. Okay, so for now we will do unboxing with Misseskisses Plunge Bra. So actually guys, this one is a shallow plunge bra. Okay, so this one, but this one is the new design. They made a lot of improvements, which is we can compare later what is the difference between the two. So now we're going to unboxing. Okay, so I'm just so excited because voila, I have a lot of tops that I cannot use this one because it's kind of visible, this one. So yeah, we will see if this one will be the perfect for my tops. Okay, so actually guys, shallow plunge bra is really good if you just want to wear crop tops, or you just want to show some cleavage. This one is really good guys. You can wear with your dress, with your body, with your crop tops, because the other one, this one is the moderate and the deep. Actually this is my fourth collection. So this one is the deep. So this one is for frontless. Okay, you can see here until here. Okay, so it's open, and even the moderate. So if you guys just want to show your cleavage, shallow is the perfect plunge bra for you. So gonna open it. I'm so excited. So in the box of Misseskisses, there is a card. Okay, and next the bag, and inside in this Misseskisses bag, okay, so this is the, okay, so this is the new shallow plunge bra. Okay, so so as you can see guys, the difference, this one is more lower. Okay, so so you can guys see the difference. So now we will try it on. Okay, so actually when this one arrived, because this one Misseskisses just sent me, but normally inside there is a 2 pads. There is also with a strap, but I never use this one guys because it's never going down, you know. So for me it's useless. But for the beginners who don't feel comfortable, you know, you can try this one. Okay, so yeah, it comes with the pads and this one. Well, I'm so excited. I'm so excited to wear this one. So okay, so this is the logo of Misseskisses. Okay, so this is the original Misseskisses, because there is a lot of fakes, or what we call imitations, that they try to copy this one, but they cannot copy guys. They cannot copy, because this one really a good quality product guys. It's really quality and it's really comfortable, and you will not feel any pain when you're wearing this one. So yeah, so okay, so this one you have to adjust it once only. Okay, if you adjust it properly, you're comfortable and everything is good. So on the next time you don't have to adjust. It's one time guys. Okay, so this one is if you have a AB, you have to do it like this. Okay, AB size. So it's quite hard. Okay, but you have to push it. Just put your thumb here and the other fingers here. Okay, you just have to push it like this. Okay, and then if you have a C or D or E size, you have to open it. Okay, because you have a bigger boobs. Okay, so AB is like this, and then this one you just have to like this. Voila, it's become smaller. Okay, so now I'm going to put the pads. Okay, the pads is like this. Okay, So this one, guys, the pads is like this. Okay, there is a space here, which is, it means you have to put here, okay, in front, in this side. So you just have to put it like this, and then you have to see the triangle. If you see the triangle, it means you do proper way. Okay, that's the proper way. Okay, so you don't have to do like this, it should be triangle. Okay, okay, so the same triangle, triangle. Okay, so now we're going to try the some fitted I will try dress. Okay, fitted dress, so we will see if it's not visible. Okay, but now I'm gonna show you guys on how to put it properly. Okay, so you just have to put like this. You have to put like this, and then you have to grab your other boobies like this, so it will be like this. You see that? It's nice. I will take out. Oh, did you see? Okay, so now I'm gonna wear my dress. Very cute dress. Okay, so it's a short jumpsuit. Okay, and I just need some cleavage, you know. So yeah, look at this, and it's really easy to wear, because I already set up it. So yeah, so it looks more gorgeous, like. So it's more gorgeous with cleavage. It looks more nice, right? So cute. Okay, so it's not obvious at all, the wire. Okay, so next. Okay, so next outfit. So this one is a crop top. Okay, with the skirt. So what I need in this one is, you know, it doesn't look good. Oh my god. I really need you, Mrs. Kisses. Okay, so now I'm gonna put this one, guys. Okay, you can see, voila. And then later on, guys, there is a magic that will happen. It's more nice. You see? Okay, the side view is gorgeous. Okay, you have a nice boobs. Okay, and a nice cleavage as well. So this is so cute. I love it. You can actually, this one is, you can do like this. Okay, so you can show more cleavage. Okay, or if you want, you can do like this. So it depends on you. So I bought this one in H&M, I think. So even, guys, for the bodysuit or swimsuit, like one piece, guys, it's really invisible. You cannot see the wire, and this is really perfect, guys. You see this? This is perfect. Okay, so at the back, so this one is backless, it's strapless and frontless. Okay, so this is really good, guys. And one more thing, guys, is there is special pads for swimming. So if you guys go into the swimming pool, you don't have to be worried, because this one is a special pads. This one is very sticky. You can put to your boobs, and the other one is to put with the pads. Okay, so it's really double sticker to your boobs, so no need to worry. So this is really great. Okay, so thank you guys for watching, and thank you, Mrs. Kisses, because this is really a life-changing experience for us mommies especially. So yeah, that's all for today, guys. If you want to watch more review or tutorial about this Mrs. Kisses, you can check my channel. There's a lot of videos there, so you can, guys, check it out. So thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.